It's a duck. It's a duck. No?
In a ship. No, not a ship. It's a company. It's a company.
Boss, you're not allowed to touch that.
Malaysian Airlines. Emirates.
I know. Southwest Airlines.
Yes!
It's my turn.
Herb Kelleher, former CEO of Southwest Airlines, believed in the philosophy of using levity to drive productivity. He didn't have to use whips to force his ideas, but used fun to drive his initiatives. He even settled a legal suit with an arm wrestling match. On occasions, he even dressed up as Elvis Presley or a rabbit just to keep his employees smiling and happy. And smile they did, as Southwest built a reputation for itself as one of the nation's most profitable airlines. There are numerous reasons why fun is important in the workplace. Levity boosts our ability to think outside the box and enables us to generate innovative solutions to solve problems. Research also indicates that while having fun, we develop new neural cells in areas devoted to learning and memory. Fun is good for teaching, critical in employee retention, and important for business as people are attracted to organizations that are cool and fun. So how do you make your workplace fun? It won't cost you a bomb. It can be something as simple as scaring your employees. Provide an environment where people can lighten up is all that it requires. Don't sentence fun to the bottom of your priority list. As a leader, we need to build enablers for fun to thrive. Give your employees permission to be human and be open to giving and receiving humor at the workplace. You could even allow yourself to be the object of fun at the workplace. All being said, fun is a key tool to leverage. It improves communication, enhances creativity, builds trust and friendships in organizations, and even has health benefits. You see, when people are having fun, they're working harder, focused on your organization, and are able to maintain their composure even in times of crisis. You want to be a great leader? Don't forget to incorporate fun into your workplace.